there is some relief for Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as he is lodged inside Tihar jail following judicial custody. From Aam Aadmi Party sources, we have learned that the Chief Minister has been given insulin for the first time since his arrest on 21st of March and after he was shifted to Tihar on the 1st of April. Now remember, there has been a controversy regarding the demand of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for insulin while he is inside Tihar. While Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal himself had moved the application in front of the Rouse Avenue court, demanding that he be allowed a personal meeting with his own doctor for 15 minutes every day in the presence of his wife so that he can manage his diabetic condition better. The ED actually opposed this plea, and even as the Chief Minister himself withdrew that application from the Rouse Avenue court that very day, the ED actually brought to the court the notice, court's notice the diet chart of the Chief Minister, and pointing out to several food items which have high GI index. The ED counsel had actually argued in the court that Arvind Kejriwal was deliberately consuming food with a high GI index so that his sugar levels could spike, and that could form a ground for medical bail. Now, opposing this ED's contention, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi then said whether the Chief Minister is going to risk paralysis just in order to get bail. And answering this controversy about the Chief Minister having mangoes and items like aloo puri, Abhishek Manu Singhvi also said in the court that of the 48 times that the meals have been sent from home for the Chief Minister, only 3 times mangoes were there and aloo puri just once. Abhishek Manu Singhvi also argued that mangoes have a lower GI index compared to either white rice or brown rice. Meanwhile, the Tihar jail counsel also appeared in front of the court, and as per their submissions, the Chief Minister's diet actually showed a deviation from the diet that was advised by his own personal doctor. And according to the Tihar Jail Council, the Chief Minister did not need any insulin and that his sugar levels were very much under control. The Lieutenant Governor also jumped into this controversy and had asked for a report from Tihar Jail authorities regarding the health of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Now, in this backdrop, actually, the trial court headed by Special Judge Kaveri Baweja actually delivered its verdict yesterday, and though it rejected the Chief Minister's plea for a personal meeting with his own doctor every day, it did pave the way for the constitution of a medical board to be headed by a doctor from AIIMS, which is then going to decide on the Chief Minister's diet, his weight management, and also his need for insulin. So today, when he was administered insulin inside Tihar, it has come on the advice of the Tihar jail authorities. I must also tell our viewers that there has been a controversy regarding what the Tihar jail administration is saying and what the Chief Minister is saying. The Tihar jail administration has been consistently making this point that under no circumstance did the Chief Minister actually make a demand for insulin. It was not mentioned at the time of his arrest. It was not mentioned at the time of the RML doctor's report also. And the Tihar jail authorities also said that there was a consultation which was arranged between an AIIMS diabetologist and the Chief Minister, and the AIIMS doctor apparently said that the condition of the Chief Minister was not serious. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from within Tihar actually wrote a letter to the jail superintendent, and he contested these two claims. In his letter, the Chief Minister said that he has been demanding insulin for every day for the past 10 days, and that his glucometer readings actually show that his sugar levels have spiked to a high of anything between 250 to 320, and that to 3 times a day. He also has said that his fasting sugar levels are between 150 to 200, which is also very high. And he said in his letter to the Tihar jail superintendent that he has been demanding insulin every single day. He also contested the contention of the Tihar jail authorities, which actually claimed that the AIIMS doctor said that his condition was not serious. The Chief Minister said that the AIIMS doctor had actually asked for more data based on which it could give further advice. The other important point to note over here is that the trial court yesterday also noted a deviation in the diet that was being given to the Chief Minister while in jail and the diet that was actually okayed by his own personal doctor. And the court has also asked the Tihar jail authorities now to keep a strict eye on what the Chief Minister has been consuming. So this is a story that has sparked a lot of interest, and this controversy has been raging over the past few days, with Aam Aadmi Party leaders also alleging that there was a plot to slowly kill the Chief Minister based on the denial of insulin inside jail. But for now, there is some relief for the Chief Minister, and administration of insulin for the diabetic Arvind Kejriwal has started inside Tihar.